off, got myself a new chain with a Milkgang hanging from my fucking neck swing. I've been so sudden, so I keep it on my new ring. For the fucking gram, when I post it with a new thing.
Oh hey, at the stoplight, I need to zip up my rear air thing. I don't know if I can reach it, so I might have to see if you might be willing to do that.
Okay.
I also gotta fucking put up my pants again. Here, do you want to try doing it for me? Because I don't know where the zipper is. It's up here. Oh, nice. There we go. That's a lot more, probably going to be much more better for me. People are going to think that we are super, super weird and psychotic. I hate how much my visor fogs up. I know, but I can't. I need to get up to a little bit more of a speed. Because in neighborhoods is when it fogs up, but when I'm actually like riding, it's fine.
Yeah. Now I'm making noise.
Now you're making noise, yeah. Well, I didn't even put a single foot down. Haha. That bump caught me off guard.
Yeah, I remember the couple that are in here too.
Yeah. This is where we saw that deer.
Yeah.
Oh, whoops.
Oh, hey.
Ooh, deer. You don't see that every day. There, just give it a watch out. It's a buck. Oh, it's a baby. Oh my god. Oh, it did it again. Oh! Dude, I hate the one thing on my fucking body that gets cold is my fucking fingers. I hate that about my body. It's so stupid. I want to hear that exhaust, but I can't hear it from all the way back here.
It does actually sound pretty good.
I know, but I wish I could hear it. My bike needs to start getting more hot so I can put my hands down where my engine is to get them warm.
Yeah, exactly.
This is absolutely one of the more colder days that I've ever ridden.
Yeah, it's pretty cold out, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, and I told you it was cold, but you're like, no. I'm like, yeah.
It's manageable. It's just cold. I mean,
it's cold, yeah. It is slightly manageable when I have another layer of gloves on. If I had another layer of gloves on, I'd be chilling right now.
well, your gauntlets. Your gauntlets are made for winter.
I don't have the sticky stuff on it to use my phone, and I need that.
Who cares?
I was going to bring them, but I forgot. But I also need them, so, I mean, like, I need them so I can do my phone shit. That's the thing.
Yeah, but I mean, like, you can manage.
I can manage, but at the same time, I still need it to do stuff.
Sound good? That's right.
Woo, baby, my hands are cold. If you go on Metcalf, when you go on Metcalf, you go under the highway.
Yeah, okay.
So you'd be chilling. I rode there yesterday. That's how I said that one road is super fun. You can get to like with no cops around.
Yeah, but we're not gonna do that with Nick on the ninja.
I know, I was just telling you, like, that's what you can do.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. There you go.
Oh, I haven't, this is 167th. I haven't actually ridden on this one before.
Tell me it's good.
Am I going first?
Yeah, you're going first, you're going.
Oh, I'm going first? Oh, I guess he is. Alright, well, I can only... You can pass him, or I can pass him.
Yeah, let me just get in front of him. You just need to let me pass him.
Yeah. I can pass if you wanted me to.
No, we'll just do this safely.
Yeah.
Nick's doing fine.
I know. Okay, he turned the blinker off. I was wondering if he turned that off yet or not.
He pays pretty good attention.
Okay. God damn, my fucking fingers though.
You smell that?
It's the dump, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Because the dump's to our right, or left.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's on the Metcalf too as well, which I think Metcalf is right here.
It is. This is Metcalf right in front of us.
Yeah, so we gotta go on the third exit.
Yep.
You slow down a lot and you f***ed me over a little bit.
Well, I'm just saying, I didn't want to get up all the things
But yeah, no, the road back that way is so fun.
Yeah, I bet.
Because there's like, you're in trees, you're on the smooth road, and you can go as fast as you really want. It was a really fun road last night. When I went on it, I was like, oh, me and Joe need to go on this road.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, he'll love it. He'll love it so much. You good?
You were doing so well.
I thought I had it in neutral, I had it in first.
You good? Oh, you stalled out?
I thought I had it in neutral, but I had it in first.
Oof, I hate when that happens. I've done that once before recently, actually. Okay, I'm gonna stand up and warm myself up.
A little chilly out, huh?
Ooh, ooh.
Yeah. Hey, better than no gloves, right?
Exactly.
Bruh, it is hella fucking chilly. Were you gonna be doing Kawasaki too as well?
Well, see how much gas is in it.
Okay.
Nick, how much gas is in it?
Hey guys.
Hey guys. The pump's broken.
Oh no.
Really?
Hey guys. They just said that all their gas pumps are all out. That's what they just told me.
All the gas pumps are not working right now.
Of course. Thank you. Hey, your back tire's flat. Your back tire's flat.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, ride safe.
Ride?
Drive safe.
Same thing. You're on a bike, they don't care. So we could go to the 151st one, I guess.
We'll go back.
We'll go back to
I
my
was gonna
house.
say, it's kind of busy
Yeah.
Yeah.
there.
Well, oh, over there probably is?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Do you want to go same route, or do you want to go straight?
What are you
comfortable with?
Same route.
Same route.
Same route. Okay, perfect.
You should, when we're going back down that way, when we're next to each other, you should fly by us on a high RPM so we can hear it.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's nice. That's pretty nice. You missed the turn. I think I got like my wheel up like a millimeter maybe, but I don't know. That was fun though.
Yeah, I like that.
But my hands are old.
You're probably... Yeah. Wait, say it again? No. Hey, Nick. I'm in front of you.
What'd you say?
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
I don't know what you just said. Or what you were trying to say.
Okay.
Oh! 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 Ah! I can't see! Aha! Hands up with your exhaust.
Yeah, no.
Ah! Keep doing that, it feels good. Oh, my hands feel so warm now, that's great, awesome, yes!
Like this. Hey, Pinto, Pronto, Cantos. Diamonds make me blind, I'm hitting combos. Broncos, speeding when I'm driving, knocking bongos. Macho, hit it from behind so I don't kiss her when she swallows on my kiss one at a time. Angry fist.